Yeah, man, I go see which girl I can link up and all. Because I want a girl to come look for me and you know, let's see what I go on there. Yeah. Alright. Shenene. Sound like a good name. Is it? I remember see what I go on now. Shenene. Hold on. Because, alright, come and look for me. I'm at 225th Merrick Boulevard. Alright. Yeah, man, but I want to see what she's like. You see it? Yo. Yeah. She get it. Yo, you done now. What's your number? Oh shit. Yeah, she give me all her number there. Hold on. I said hold on 1 second. Okay. Easily. Yeah, man.
Hello?
Oh yes, hello. How you doing there, sweetie?
Oh, hi, AC. Oh my god. You so... Yeah, you know.
Yeah, I was just on the computer and I saw you. Oh my gosh, yes. You seem like a nice person though. I mean, as I hear the name, I know that you're a nice person. Yeah, yes, I know that. Yes.
So I can't wait to see you. Oh my god.
When can I get to see a beautiful girl like you?
By the way, I'm close, so I know I'm just gonna hit you up right now because I think I'm around your area. You know. You know what? I'm coming right now, right?
Yeah? No? Definitely. You're the nearby? Well, I didn't know that but you set your address as... Okay, anyway. So you coming over to see me now?
Alright, I'm coming right now, so I'm gonna let you know, okay? Oh my...
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Oh my gosh. She's coming over right now.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah?
Can I come in?
Oh, come in, man. Come in.
Okay.
Hello? Hi. Who are you?
But you don't like me no more?
Shindene?
But you were talking on the phone like you like me yet.
No, man. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. I said hold on. Oh my god. I think you got to run a house, you know. Yeah, I think you got to run a house.
What are you doing? I hate when people do something like this.
Shanae? No, it's not like I'm acting like I don't know you, but Jesus Christ. Hell no. I think you should go. You got to run a house though, you know? You see, this is from my cousin's house. I don't even know this fucking house. I saw it on YouTube, so I just want to take a look and shit, you know what I mean?
I'm going home. Can't take this.
Your exit is on the left, you know? Just go on the left.
Bye.
Jesus.
Alright, Facebook. It's Andrew Trabass and it's my cousin Andrew.
Chambers, same way. Easily.